CreateCelebrate is really about creativity, and we're collaborating with brands and designers and companies from all over the world to try to achieve our mission, which is to inspire more creativity in the world.
Mixbook kind of brought this vision of a color wall and rainbow everything, and obviously the kids are having a great time, so we're happy.
This event has been amazing. I've never seen so many fun installations and activities in one place.
So colorful, it's so vibrant, and it's so much fun. You walk in and you feel like a kid in a candy store.
My friend actually got here before I did, and she sent me a text asking if she was in a dream. I feel like it is a bunch of crayons that literally exploded into a ball of fun, and especially it's great for kids. Magical, whimsical, colorful experience for families to connect.
Yes, it's very colorful and very fun.
It's great for all the senses. Everything smells good, looks good, sounds good. Everyone's having fun, everyone's smiling. It's amazing.
My kids had so much fun, especially with the bubbles and the rainbows. We just had a blast.
I really love having a factory where we split half of it into a community space so that we could do amazing events like this and bring in really awesome partners like Mixbook and Hey Mama and all these amazing companies, because I've always been very proud of having a space where you can bring people together in real life.